Safe method to get value of nested dictionary. I have a nested dictionary. Is there only one way to get values out safely? Or maybe Python has a method like get for nested dictionary.
You could use get twice. This will return none if either key1 or key2 does not exist. Note that this could still raise an attribute error if example_dict, key1, exists but is not a dict, or a dict-like object with a get method. The try.except code you posted would raise a type error instead if example_dict, key1, is unsubscriptable. Another difference is that the try.except short circuits immediately after the first missing key. The chain of get calls does not. If you wish to preserve the syntax, example_dict, key1, key2, but do not want it to ever raise keyrus, then you could use the hasher recipe. Note that this returns an empty hasher when a key is missing. Since hasher is a subclass of dict, you can use a hasher in much the same way you could use a dict. All the same methods and syntax is available, hashers just treat missing keys differently. You can convert a regular dict into a hasher like this, and convert a hasher to a regular dict just as easily. Another alternative is to hide the ugliness in a helper function, so the rest of your code can stay relatively readable.
You could also use Python reduce.
Building up on Yoav's answer, an even safer approach.
By combining all of these answers here and small changes that I made, I think this function would be useful. It's safe, quick, easily maintainable. Example.
How should I tell this thing to answer?